2 plus 2 is 4 and 12 divided by 3 multiply 4. So it will become 12 divided by 3 multiply 4, which means 12 divided by 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. Now if you got your answer 1, then this is totally wrong. One answer is totally wrong because we have to solve these kind of sums with PEMDAS. PEMDAS means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So 12 divided by 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 we have here. Okay. We have to solve the parenthesis 1. So we'll solve this is at the first point. Okay. Next we have to solve. Now this will become multiplication. We have to solve. Now if we get multiplication and division in the same line, then we have to solve them from left to right. Remember that we have to solve them from left to right. So 12 divided by 3 into 2 plus 2 will do division and then multiplication. So it will become 12 divided by 3, 2 plus 2. So we'll solve 2 plus 2 first. We'll solve the parentheses. It will become 4. Now what we solve? We'll solve the division. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. Now 16 is our correct answer. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.